Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Nokia 150 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's press the middle button to enter the menu, and here we have to find the settings. Then let's confirm it and go down to find time settings. Let's select it, and as you can see here we've got options which we can customize. So let's start with the clock. Simply select it and set the time. As you can see, we can freely pick the time just by going up or down. Go to the right in order to set the minutes and confirm it with OK. Okay, we've got also the time format here, so we can select it and we can decide whether we want to display it in 24-hour or 12-hour format. Simply mark the option and confirm it by pressing the middle button. Then we've got the date settings, so let's simply tap on it, and the same situation as you can see, just by going up and down and to the right or to the left, of course, you can change the day, the month and the year. So let's confirm it with OK. And here we can decide whether we want to display of the time and date. We can show it or hide it, it's up to you. And here we've got also the auto update of date and time. You can decide whether you want to use it or not. So set on, confirm first, or off. It's up to you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.